How to install Xfinity app on Hisense Smart TV. If you're trying to install the Xfinity app on a Hisense Smart TV but can't find it in the App Store, it's usually because of the TV's operating system, model year, or app support limitations. You might notice the app missing from search results, the install option not showing up, or the app simply not supported on your TV. Don't worry, I'll explain exactly which Hisense TVs support Xfinity, how to check your system, and the best alternatives if the app isn't available. Now, let's fix it, step by step. Method 1. Check your Hisense TV operating system. Hisense TVs run different systems like Android TV, Google TV, Vita, or Roku TV. Go to Settings about System Information to see which OS your TV uses. The Xfinity Stream app is not supported on all Hisense operating systems. Method 2. Install Xfinity Stream on Android TV or Google TV. If your Hisense TV runs Android TV or Google TV, open the Google Play Store. Search for Xfinity Stream. Select Install, then open the app and sign in. This works on supported models only. Method 3. Install Xfinity Stream on Hisense Roku TV. If your Hisense TV is a Roku TV, press Home on the remote. Go to Streaming Channels, Search Channels. Search for Xfinity Stream and select Add Channel. Method 4. Xfinity app, not available, Vita OS. If your Hisense TV uses Vita OS, the Xfinity app is not supported. It will not appear in the App Store, even after updates. This is a limitation of the TV platform, not your Xfinity account. Method 5. Use alternative ways to watch Xfinity. If the app isn't supported on your Hisense TV, use a Roku, Fire TV, or Apple TV device. Cast from your phone using Chromecast or AirPlay. Watch through the Xfinity Stream website on another device. Important notes. Xfinity Stream requires an active Xfinity TV subscription. And that's it! You now know how to install the Xfinity app on a Hisense Smart TV or use the best alternative if it's not supported. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick streaming fixes.